Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how we can download and install the Community Edition of Right-Click Tools. So as you can see, I'm at the recastsoftware.com website. Up at the top here, we have a download free tools link. That's one option for us to download the free tools. This is probably the quickest and easiest way. We'll just go ahead and fill out the form. Form is filled out. We'll hit download for free. And that is going to kick off an email to our inbox. Here I have my email with my download link. All I have to do is click this. And our download is kicked off. That's option one for downloading the free tools. The next option is using the Recast portal. The portal is our central login site for all of our paid customers where they can go in and download their tools, but you can do it with a free license as well. Up at the top corner again, portal login. If you haven't created an account yet, you can hit don't have an account yet, fill out all this info. I'm going to go ahead and log in here. Now that I'm logged in, you'll see a Right-Click Tools Community Edition at the top here. We have our download link right here. And I can go ahead and click download, and that'll download the tools as well. Those are the two options for downloading the free tools. Now let's go ahead and install. We'll hit next. Make sure our Community Edition is selected there. Hit next. Hit install. Then we'll have to elevate. Now the install is complete. We can go ahead and open up our Config Manager console, and in our navigation pane, we now have our Recast software node. If you would like to utilize the Right-Click tools for Intune, you'll also need to install the browser extension. Back on that free tool download page, we have links to both the Chrome and the Edge browser extension right below that download form. Since I'm working in Microsoft Edge, I'll go ahead and click on the Edge link. That'll take me to the Edge add-on store where I can get the extension. So we'll go ahead and add the extension there. That'll take us to the Right-Click Tools for Intune documentation page after it's been installed. We go to our extensions. There we have the Right-Click Tools for Intune extension. And I've hopped into the Intune Admin Center, grabbed one of my computers, and we can see that our Recast software logo shows up here, thanks to our browser extensions. So we can go ahead and click that, and that'll pull up the Right-Click Tools menu. That was a quick walkthrough of how to download and install the Right-Click Tools Community Edition. Thanks for watching.